Let's start out by taking a look at adding reminders to incidents. A reminder is like a little alarm clock you can set for your incident. You can set different times and recurrences for it to go off, and select a message to display, or even trigger another incident from the reminder. To set a reminder, select the incident you want to add the reminder to, and either click on the menu button on the bottom of the Details pane, right-click on the incident pin on the map, or right-click on the incident in the list. From the menu, select Add a Reminder and you'll get a pop-up window like this. The first thing to set is the recurrence, or when you would like the reminder to activate. Once will have the alarm go off one time at the date and time specified. The reminder will stay in case you want to modify it and set a new one-time reminder. Every minute does exactly that, activates every time the clock changes to a new minute at 0 seconds. There is no date or time to select, it starts looking at the time as soon as you hit save. Selecting hourly will allow you to select when during the hour you'll get the reminder alert. For example, if you set it to every 5th minute of the hour, it will pop up a reminder at 8:05, 9:05, 10:05, and so on. Daily will bring up the reminder at a specific time that you set every day. For example, if you know the maintenance team leaves at 4 p.m. every day, you can set a reminder in the incident to follow up with the team at 3:45 to update the incident with the repair status. Weekly adds to that functionality where you select the time of the reminder, but you can also select the day it will go off. Only one day can be selected from the list, and you can only add one reminder per incident. The next recurrence is something that's more often added as part of the incident automation and will activate when the incident is started. The on-startup recurrence is a good way to add some extra notes to handling the incident or bring it to the recipient's attention. The last recurrence is setting up a custom interval. With this setting, you can select how many days, hours, and minutes until the next reminder alert. Once you have the timing set, you need to decide what kind of alerts you want. You can have a specific message come up with the alert, or you can trigger an additional incident. If you leave both of the boxes blank, you'll still see the alert pop up in the notification tray with the name and ID of the incident, the date and time of the alert, and the state of the incident. Messages will be added below this if one was configured. This reminder alert goes to anyone who is a recipient of the incident and has 3 options to interact with the alert. You can either view the incident on the map in the Incident Monitoring task, view the incident in a separate monitoring task, or dismiss the reminder. If you have a recurring reminder, dismissing the alert does not remove the reminder from the incident. You can see if a reminder is configured for an incident by looking in the list under the Reminder column. If the bell icon is there, a reminder has been set. You will also see the Reminder section in the Details pane. If you need to modify or delete the reminder, you can do so from this section using the menu button on the right. You can also click on the menu or right-click on the incident pin or list entry and choose to modify or delete the reminder. Reminders only exist for active incidents, so if you resolve the incident, the reminder will be removed.